So we just walked right into TJ Maxx, and they have a small little thing here for Halloween. That's pretty cool. Amber's going after this multicolored stuff. This is actually right across the street from that Spirit Halloween. It's pretty cool.
Okay, so in the kids section, here's kids costumes. There's a police officer. They have Yoda. Princesses. Fairies. So that's here. So it's like all the way around. SWAT. Little gladiator. Cute. Let's see what else we can find. Let's keep walking. So pet stuff. Yeah, pets. Fuzzy Wuzzy. That's cute. They're dog costumes. Ah, cute. Lamb chop. Do you guys remember lamb chop? That's cool. Ooh. Oh, look, there's a unicorn over here, and a chicken, and a shark.
We had a dog.
Yeah, did you see all the cute little stuff?
So we found some more pumpkins and some Thanksgiving stuff. They do have the teapot. This is pretty cool. They have pumpkins and they have cups over there. Not a whole lot, but there's some. And then
Like a garland, 6-foot garland.
oh wow.
And they're like the palms that you like.
Yeah.
Those are cute. You can use them for Halloween.
And Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And fall. Oop.
And fall. That's what it's for. I think this is just all pumpkins.
Yeah, it is. All pumpkins. They have some fall stuff in here, which is kind of cool.
Pumpkin cinnamon. Ooh, smelly.
Ew. No, it does smell like pumpkin pie though. They have a runner. They have an apron for you, so when you're making cookies. Oh, that's cool. Oven mitts. Two of them?
Yeah. That's weird.
Stay for a bite. Get it? Oh, look. Actually,
Bite.
that's funny. Yes, I drive a stick. Huh. They got ghost.
Shower curtain button. Oh, Jack Skellington. Look. It's a shower curtain.
That's cool.
Oh, it's my Isaac Mizzy.
They have some of this stuff.
Oh, I like this one.
Every day is Halloween. Oh, that's cool. And more Halloween stuff. I wish people would put stuff back to where they found it.
Oh, it's bats.
Na 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 Batman.
Oh, it's sparkly. Oh, witch hat. It's garland.
You know, we be thinking of that because I said I gotta get that thing out the bathroom.
Alright, we're over here by the coffee cups. They even have glassware for Hocus Pocus. They have...
Original witches.
Oh, that's cool. Then they also have this box set. Holy crap, this is heavy.
$8. These are $8.
Okay. They have this. Coffee cups. Amber's thinking about starting to collect coffee cups for some reason.
Look look at these ones. It closes.
And then you have these right here.
You have tumblers.
Oh, that's cool.
Hot sauce.
Bone rattler hot sauce. I like these gnomes. These gnomes are kind of cool. Then you got coffee cups. That's cool. And then you have these. That's kind of cool. And it spins.
Where were these? We could have taken them.
I know. They have a... And then 7 back. They have some more stuff, but that's pretty much it. Oh, that's on the other side? Oh, that's cool.
It turns.
Yeah, but on that side you don't see the skeleton. But there's a skeleton. That's so cool. And that's pretty much it for here. We'll keep looking though. It's not Halloween, but look at this stuff. This is at TJ Maxx. You have your little mini waffle maker, and then you have like a mini crock pot. So we're not gonna do a formal outro when we get back to the car. So this is pretty much all they have for Halloween. But if you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. We really do hope you guys enjoy the video. Gives you an idea what TJ Maxx has to offer. But other than that, guys,
Subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and we will definitely see you guys next time.